Allah Almighty. Blessing and salutation upon Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. We ask Allah Almighty to bless him and all his companions, and we ask Allah Almighty to bless every single one of us. Respectable teachers, my beloved brother in Islam and my dear fellows, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today, I want to express my feelings and emotions about a certain topic, that is importance of English language. My dear brothers, nowadays more and more people are detecting time to include English, to studying English as a second language. Many countries include English in their school syllabus, and the children are starting to learn English at the younger and younger age. But what is the true value of learning English? Here I want to show few qualities and tips. Whether you are looking for a new job or planning to travel the world, studying English can help you progress in life both personally and professionally. English is important because English is a global language. Even you will find 1 out of 5 people can speak or at least understand English. Many scientific papers and articles are written in English. If you want to search a thing or you want to Western point of view about an issue, you really need to understand English. Otherwise, it is impossible to know about them. English is the language of media industry, and as well as English is the language of internet. We could not search any single thing without understanding English. So my dear brothers, English became our urgent need. Therefore, we shall be attention and be careful about this. May Allah provides us an opportunity to save the Islam, to serve the Ummah, and to serve our homeland. Thank you.